What is your name?
Hey, my name is Sesikala.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What is
Yeah.
your name?
My name is Madison.
Madison?
Madison, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Are you able to hear me okay?
Yes, you?
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. I'm
Okay.
from California. Where are you from?
I am from India.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Do you want to tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, sure. I am from India, south part of India, southern part. Do you know India? You have been.
I'm familiar with some of it. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I I am housewife.
Very nice.
I have a baby. I have a baby girl.
Very
Two
nice.
years, 2 years old baby girl.
Yeah, wonderful. I'm just taking notes on you. Yeah.
Oh, sure, sure, sure.
Yeah. Very nice.
I am getting some disturbance from you. No,
I don't
like
think so.
big sound.
Oh,
Okay.
interesting. Can you still hear that?
No, no, no.
No.
Now it's okay.
Okay, awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, wonderful. So, housewife, 2-year-old baby. And can you tell me a
Yeah,
little bit about why you're here on Cambly? Why are you hoping to this English?
yeah. I want to make sure. I want to become a public speaker. I want to speak very well English, mostly conversation English, speaking English.
Yeah, I think the connection's a little bit bad.
You cannot hear me.
Yeah. I'm having trouble. There's a lag.
Oh, now it's okay.
Mentioning that you were interested in public speaking.
Yes.
Yeah, can you
I
tell me a
want.
little bit more about that?
Yeah, I want to speak very well. I have
Sure.
some issues when I'm talking English, so vocabulary and grammatical mistakes like
Yeah.
that.
Yep. I understand. Yeah. So, what are some things that you want to do with public speaking? What are your options?
I want to, I have a church, so I want to speak some. Yes,
Okay. So, I didn't hear what you were saying about public speaking.
yeah, it's. I want to teach
Yeah.
English to children,
Yeah, that's wonderful.
the children, adult children. So that's why I want to learn English, and also I want to do MS Master's
Yeah.
degree
Yeah, I want to do an MS master's degree.
in
Yep.
in in USA like
Yeah,
that.
wonderful. So in the USA. And do you know what sort of master's degree you would like to do? Any particular subject?
I no, I am
No,
not sure
not sure.
now.
That's okay. Yeah.
I study here engineering here in electronics and communication department.
Yep, that's wonderful. And did you enjoy that experience? Yeah.
Yes,
Awesome.
but I completed my study in 2017.
Yeah. I completed my studies in
After my study,
2017. Studies.
yeah, I studies in 2017.
Yeah.
Then after my dream is not fulfilled because I got married.
Yep.
So still I'm trying how to do master's degree. Now time is very hard to go
Yeah.
outside. It's corona time, so I don't want to waste my time. So I want to learn English, and also I getting some practice with my children's here, not my children's here, other children here.
Yeah, absolutely. Practice teaching them English as well. Yeah.
Yes,
That's
yes, yes.
awesome.
It's It's useful to me when when I'm getting visa at the time of exams, testing, TOEFL,
Of
like that.
course. Yeah. Um, I think that the audio is coming in and out. I'm only getting a little bit of what you're saying. I think I understand, but it's just going in
Oh,
and out. Yeah.
yes,
Yeah,
some problem.
definitely some problems. Okay. Well, thank you for sharing that information.
Okay, tell me. Okay, tell me
Yeah.
about you.
So I'm living in the UK, but I'm originally from the States, the United States. Yeah.
Oh,
And I did my master's as well. Mhm.
oh, where you did
I did it here in the UK. Yeah.
UK?
Yeah. And when you, oh,
Since since you
yeah,
lived
when I
there
lived here.
in
Yeah.
UK.
Yeah. I moved here to do my master's. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you said you are looking to do your master's. Do you want to do that in the United States? Yeah,
Yes.
ideally in the United States. That's awesome. Have you ever been to the United States before? No? No?
No, no, no.
Yeah.
My friends are went
My
there.
friends have been there.
My friends are living there, and also they are doing have been there.
Yeah, and they are doing what?
They're doing study there,
Ah,
master's
so my
degree,
friends
and also doing work.
masters. Yeah, so my friends are also there studying for a master's degree. Yeah, awesome.
Okay.
So I'm sure you've heard a lot about the United States. Yeah, that's
Yes.
wonderful. Have you ever traveled anywhere within India or outside of India?
Yes. I travel
Yeah,
only in India, in my
in your state. And
state,
what is one of your favorite
and
places in that area?
and I visited Golden Temple in Chennai, near to Chennai.
Okay. Can you describe the temple?
Is very
Yeah.
yeah. Sure. When I was in final year in my engineering study, my HOD is conducted some tour, go outside. We visited so many places. It's Marina Beach, one of my favorite place. Yeah, it is so beautiful. I enjoyed a lot with my
Yeah, that's
friends.
wonderful. That's wonderful.
Yeah, you know that
I've
Marina
actually
Beach
never heard of it.
in India.
No. Is it wonderful?
Oh, it is the very biggest
Ah,
ocean,
yeah. So it is the biggest ocean.
Marina Beach. It's near to Chennai. Yeah, biggest
Yeah.
ocean.
Wonderful. I've seen photos.
It's near
Yeah.
to
Oh,
yeah.
I've seen
Tell
lots
me.
of photos of beaches in India and they look wonderful, especially in the southern regions. Yeah. Closer to the tip of India.
Yes.
Yeah. Wonderful.
I- Okay, tell me about you. Where are you traveling
I've
there?
never traveled to India.
Which places are you visited?
Yeah. I've never traveled to India.
Not India. Not
Yeah.
only India. I am asking where other states.
Other states. Yeah. So I've been to most of the states on the
I
West
mean,
Coast.
oh,
I've
what?
been to most of the states on the West Coast in America. Yeah. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Tell me about it. Is the very beautiful place. It is a very beautiful country.
Yeah. So, is it a very beautiful country? Yeah, it is a wonderful country. It's very large and there's lots of different areas. Yeah, I think similar to
Oh,
India, it's big, so different regions are known for different things.
yes.
Yeah.
Is there in USA
One more time?
different type of religions is there?
Ah, different types of religions. Actually, yeah, there are some states that are known to be more religious than others. And there's one state that I'm aware of that has a dominant religion. Yeah,
Okay. Which state you are from?
California.
California.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. I hear that.
yeah,
My friends are
yeah,
from that.
yeah. I heard
California.
that. Yeah,
It's a very beautiful place. They have very
lots
beaches
of
area
beaches. Yes, yes.
and also
Also
mountains.
mountains. Exactly, exactly. Yeah. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
It's a very wonderful area. I hope that you get to visit one day. Yeah, or study there.
Sure, sure.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
thank you.
Is there anything that I can help you with specifically? Do you have any questions about English?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Tell me how do I improve my
Yeah.
vocabulary
So I have a
when
really
I speak?
awesome tip for improving vocabulary. And I suggest this to most of my students who ask. It's a little bit difficult and it takes a while to implement this. But I suggest that you find an English television program that you really enjoy. I also suggest you keep a notebook and a pen, and while you watch that, write down any words that you've never heard before, or any words that you maybe
Okay.
recognize a little bit, but you don't fully understand the meaning. You can do this by putting on English subtitles and pausing whenever you hear the word. I then suggest you write down that word and every so often go and look up a translation or a definition so you can understand that word when you use it later. But I have found that a lot of my students watch one episode of a television show and they have so many new words to learn. Yeah,
Yes, yes. So
yeah.
many
So
new.
this could be a really good strategy.
I cannot remember at I cannot remember at the same time, at the correct time. It is the issue.
I'm sorry, one more time.
I am not remembering some words,
Remembering words.
vocabulary words. Yes.
Yeah, so this is
How to
where the
practice?
translation, yeah, this is where the translation is really helpful. When you find a new English word and you really do want to use it, it's really important for you to understand it in your native language first, because you can fully understand the meaning then. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so sorry, the video is getting very bad.
Yes, I don't know what happened is there,
Yeah, I think it's getting a little bit better.
but you
Yeah, I
are
can hear you.
listening.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Okay, tell me one more suggestion.
Sure, to vocabulary? Yeah, so it's all
Yes,
about, my favorite thing is to create your own dictionary. There's no point in learning words that you're not going to use. So find words that
is
you
that
really enjoy.
it is the dictionary?
Yeah, so create your own personal dictionary of words that you enjoy.
Is it available
What was that?
online?
Yeah,
Dictionary.
so make your own.
Dictionary.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It was nice to meet you. I think we're about to run out of time. Yeah. Have a
Yeah,
nice
run
day.
out. Yes, enough time.
Bye.
Bye.